I'm a big fat knob. I'm a knob. You're a knob.
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So we are in the Citroen, and this is only going to be a short and sweet video because, as you can see, the weather, well, it's the shortest day of the year. It's the 21st of December, and there is no motivation to do anything bigger when it's like this. And I got sent a present. So I'm going to make a video of it, of an install, and this is the present. Can you guess what it is? Right, so I'll turn my light on to give you a better idea. So if you look there, it says MOMO on it. MOMO, you see MOMO. So high quality MOMO, made in Italy. And we've already got, actually this was sent by Mr. Kiss, who has just achieved a milestone in his own 107 of the mileage. But this is genuine MOMO Gearington's knob. Now, I haven't got a standard gear knob, but the installation will be the same if you have a standard gear knob or not. And if we look at this one, I've got this, which I've always been quite fond of. But to remove it, we just turn it off. We just turn it until it comes off in an anti-clockwise manner, and then it will remove. So we've put that down there in a nice safe location. And then we get our box back and we can see that we have got adapters, because this is universal. This will fit on multiple cars which have screw-on gear knobs. So let's open these. And as if by magic, we've done that. And the one that's closest to mine is actually the biggest one out of them. So that onto there. But if you notice, because of the sheer universalness, there isn't actually any threads on there. So what I need to do is I need to put that into here, and once again I haven't actually got my tripod on me because this is just meant to be a quick video. The tripod was also sent by the same person who sent me this, Mr. Kiss. So yeah, let's tighten this into here nice and gently, and then when that's tightened up, then I think we just cut our own thread onto there, which just excellent quality. Like I said, genuine MOMO. Or is it, oh wow, Italy. Yeah, it's screwing on, look at that. Yes, like I had any doubts. Now we're getting to the point of tightness, so we need to have it lined up so we can read it perfectly as we're driving. And that is installed. And because, like I said, these are made out of plastic and there's different sizes of them, as long as it screws on, it should just screw onto any of them, really. I think it was probably off eBay. So let's go and see how the car drives with it. First thing that I can confirm is that it completely changes, well, the position of the gear knob. I keep on going to grab it and it's like, it must be like half an inch higher than what it was before at least, which is just weird. And the edges of it are sort of angular. So when I go to grab it, I keep on going down there with it rather than on there with it, and I keep on sort of grabbing it like that rather than like that. And then this edge here, the rim, it sort of digs in your hand a bit. But that is one of the sacrifices that you have to make to install race car parts, because functionality is higher up on the agenda than the comfort. However, it hasn't fallen off yet. I've driven all the way home with it, and it does actually, when I'm driving, it is actually a better height to rest my arm on, because I ain't got an armrest yet. So, pros and cons for this particular one is, well, it's longer. Now that's a pro because it's easier to put into gears. You've got more leverage on it, and especially with the short shifter fitted, that helps. But it also means that the throw is longer, so that's worse. Also, better height to rest my arm on, that's better. But it's not as comfortable to hold. So I'm going to stick it on. I'm going to leave it on for a bit. I'm going to stick with it, see how it gets on. And yeah, only a short and sweet one this week, but I think that's it. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. Oh, I just mentioned as well, if you do want a gear knob for your car, then the thread, I think it's M12 be 1.5, maybe 1.2. Yeah, M12 1.5 I think it is, but I'll have to double check that and I'll put it in the description. Anyway, that's all for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.